Braava.
Wow! What is this?
It's a robot mop.
It's the mop? Whoa! It's the iRobot mop. Okay, let's go open it up.
Open. Let's see. Paano ba yan?
Let's open up this one first.
So what is that for? The iRobot?
What is that?
This is the iRobot Braava. It's a robot mop.
Go, Lola. Go to
Come here, JD. Come here.
This is what it looks like.
Oh, ano yan?
It's very small.
Very small.
Should be able to fit under the couches.
Then,
Wow!
Comes with the base.
okay.
That's for recharging.
Oh, wow. And those
Power cord.
are the power cord.
And then we have the
The
pads,
mopping pads.
sweeping pads.
So you came with like 2 paper ones,
Paper and then the
Julian,
a fabric one.
fabric looking thing. Okay.
So we'll figure out where this
And
goes.
then we have it also comes with Braava Jet,
what's that?
what do you call this? The
Like a cleaning
solvent,
liquid.
cleaning solvent.
So we'll
Okay.
have to go through the manual, figure out where the
So
pads
how do
go.
we get those things?
The manual is at the very bottom here.
Wow, JD.
Oh, okay. It's easy because like it does like
Oh, it just sticks to the
it
bottom.
sticks to the bottom,
we
so you
can
don't have
try-
to like figure it out. It just sticks to the bottom of the thing.
So
Yeah,
open this
let's
up.
do this. And then, oh, okay. So you insert it like this, and it sticks to the bottom. So I think you insert this way,
Oh, that's right.
That's for the...
Yeah, just light
and
it.
then it slides
There's
into
Velcro.
place. It's so easy to replace it. Very nice.
And there you go. So it should be ready to mop.
We can mop. We can try it later.
And we'll plug it in, get it all set up.
Yeah, we'll set it
Okay.
up and everything.
Well, Angela, we're recording for
All
the-
right. So next thing is the amazing iRobot
iRobot.
Vacuum.
I want to... Now it's ano ha?
Such a nice packaging too. Everything is like very organized here.
This is the i7.
It's
This is the one that can map out your house.
i7. Oh, does it? Yeah, right here. The i7. It maps out the entire house. It can also be activated through Google
Yeah, and we'll set
And-
that up.
and Alexa, I think. Integrates well with Alexa. Okay, what's this one? Oh, this is probably filters, huh?
Yeah. Some extra
Oh, the
brushes and
cleaning
extra
brushes.
filter on the power cord.
Filters. Cool.
Oh, JD's.
Very cool. Okay. And then, what's the best part about this i7 is the...
Hola, Mama.
It
Dada,
has...
Mama, can you?
JD's. Julian.
Yes.
What's this? JD's dito ka.
What do you
Dito,
want?
dito.
We'll set that up later so you can see how it works. It's a
Okay.
robot vacuum.
Oo, come here.
There's the base, but the base comes with the self-cleaning tank.
You wanna play with this?
So the self-cleaning tank is over here, or a tower. They call it tower.
Oh, okay.
And this out,
Okay. Put this out.
and then we open it up with. Comes
Listen
out.
dito, Julian.
This one has the plastic to protect it. Alright, so how do we take this out? Whoa. This is awesome. Look at this. Look at this huge
Oh, okay.
So this is both the charging base.
Charging
And
And
base.
it's like a little
tower.
trash bin.
Trash tower.
It'll suction off the
This one.
trash or the debris that it
Whatever.
picks up from the robot. It'll suction it off to here, and then you just clean it up from
Ouch.
here without having to
Oh, I'm
open
sorry,
up the robot every
Julian.
time.
I'm sorry.
Ito siguro later ipapakita natin yung ano after.
Okay, so then we can do this setup.
And then set up and
Yeah,
then we'll
so
show
we'll-
later. No?
Yeah,
show
we'll set it up.
And then we'll
With
show them
with the
later.
magic of video editing, it'll be in the next seconds or so.
Okay? So I'm
Okay.
gonna turn this off.
Hey Google, start vacuuming. Hey Google, tell Roomba to go home. Hey Google, tell Roomba to go home.